Emergency medical services personnel often encounter unusual and unexpected situations. Here are 10 of the most bizarre true EMS calls. 1. Fish lodged in throat. A man pretending to kiss a 5.5-inch Dover sole had it leap into his mouth, causing him to go into cardiac arrest. Paramedics successfully removed the fish after 6 attempts. 2. Skydiver entangled under plane. A skydiver became entangled under a small aircraft for about an hour. Remarkably, both the plane and the skydiver landed safely, with the jumper sustaining only bruises. 3. Man bitten while kissing rattlesnake. In Florida, a man attempting to kiss a rattlesnake was bitten on the tongue and had to be airlifted to the hospital. 4. Woman gives birth on sidewalk. Unaware of her pregnancy, a woman awaiting a friend's assistance for severe abdominal pain gave birth on the sidewalk outside her apartment complex. 5. Man swallowed by python. In Indonesia, villagers searching for a missing man discovered his body inside a 23-foot-long reticulated python. 6. Patient escapes ambulance, climbs excavator. A schizophrenic patient escaped during transport, climbed a 30-foot-tall excavator on a busy expressway, removed his clothes, and claimed to be a serial killer. 7. Cyclist impaled by hook. A 54-year-old cyclist was impaled through the neck by a hook attached to a passing pickup truck. Firefighters worked meticulously to free him, and he was conscious during the rescue. 8. Turtle crashes through windshield. A turtle crashed through a vehicle's windshield on Interstate 95, striking a woman in the head and necessitating hospitalization. 9. Alligator under the sofa. The Welsh Ambulance Service received a call about a runaway alligator hiding under a sofa, highlighting the range of calls they handle. 10. Man calls 911 after getting stuck while hiding. A Utah man fleeing from police hid in a church boiler room and became stuck for over 6 hours, eventually calling 911 for rescue. These incidents underscore the unpredictable nature of EMS work, where responders must be prepared for any situation.